All right. Hey guys, my name's Andrew, and that's just my preferred name as well. And my pronouns are he, him. Um, where I grew up in, I was born in Oakland, California, and I moved to Vacaville or Solano County around high school, like before high school started for me. And I've lived here ever since, so I commute to Sac most of the week. My dad does live in Sac, but it's like my life is technically I was raised in Vacaville, so I just have my friends and everything are here. So it's just better for me to live out here. Um, Hobbies and activities. I'm a big volleyball guy. I love volleyball. It has my heart, and basketball too. But I play volleyball a lot more, and I would say I'm also better at it too. So I was thinking about joining club, but just with my availability with school and everything, it's kind of impossible. But maybe next semester or next year I'll test it out. Um, yeah, and I also watch a lot of anime. So when it comes to like favorite shows or movies, it'd be something in that genre or something in that like. And yeah, I've watched an unnecessary amount of anime, but if you need any recommendations, I got you. For a favorite book that I've been reading, or just a book I've been reading in general, is The Love Hypothesis. And I don't know if it's really that popular, but I saw it at Target and it's pretty good. It's a pretty good book, and I can't even say that I'm not in love with it. It's pretty good. Like I've enjoyed it. I really haven't let it sit down in a while. Um, and I'm almost done. And it's like been like a week, so it's a really good book. Check it out if you have it. In terms of goals, or I'm sorry, musical artist, um, I would say Bruno Mars and Daniel Caesar are really high up there for me. And this band called Maverick City Music is also big. I recently went to their concert. They're a Christian band, and they are amazing. The vocals of like the artists there are so good, and they're my favorite. They're number one all time for me. That's what I mainly listen to is them. Um, and the goal and expectations for this class are fairly simple. I just want to know more than I knew in the beginning of the semester, really, and just hone in on those skills a lot more because I would say scientific analysis, just based on what I already know, isn't like that much. So there's like a lot of room to grow, and I just want to grow from my current situation and use that in my career, hopefully, and so on and so forth. So, um, yeah, I'm just looking forward to a great semester with everyone and to just really learn about how it's like to work in a lab and do research and the different variables in that. So, yeah, thanks for listening.